And my name is Stefan.
Okay, we're doing a secret Mother's Day planting that she doesn't know about. So when we do secret plantings, oh yeah, there's a spider.
We got
Here in my
spider
bedroom, because it was too windy outside, everything just blew everywhere. So we're in here. Never thought that possible hundreds of people could be in my bedroom. What we're doing is, honey, sit, no. So we've held a bunch of stuff. When I do pots, I go about it a little different than everybody else.
And then,
As far as I want some wildflowers in there, and just because you don't have any money doesn't mean you can't make somebody smile. My favorite flower is the punk rock I called. What? Oh, don't break the
We need to redo that, I think.
No, we're okay.
No.
So we've been looking at our different combinations, but I'm going to show how I implement different flowers. I think Stefan picked this one. Yeah, the Dela.
No, I picked the other one, the pink one.
This is going in there. But yeah, I thought we would do that together.
But then maybe zoom in, they can be the row.
They can't see. Oh, okay, you guys will have to zoom in because it's just us. So, okay, can you dig? What I did is I dug up some lamb's ears out of the garden. Okay, we're gonna aim it this way. Okay. Okay. Wait, yeah, so Dela. So we're gonna put a Dela here. Now we're not gonna do all these, but what I did is, because I'm doing a black pot, and see the texture on the pot? Well, you probably can't see it. So what I'm doing is I'm doing lamb's ears. I'm a big fan of lamb's ears.
I sometimes couple little, that's flower.
This is a wildflower that I put everywhere.
And this we're gonna do the cake.
It's just a nice, oh yeah, we do that for cake. What else? No, we don't need that. Do you want this one or do you want the blue ones?
No, I wanted
What one? Or do you want both?
this one.
And do you want the pink?
Yeah, no pink.
Okay, before I plant this, I don't like a pot that once it's done, it's done. So I plant ahead of time. So we grow primrose, evening primrose. So they're tiny. They're gonna bloom later. So, let me find them. Now I lost them. So sometimes if you just put it on an edge, it's got a little pink leaf. It looks like foliage. Oh no, not yet. No, we're not ready yet. We're not ready. If you put this in here in a month, you're going to have a pink show that's spectacular that didn't cost any more money. And you didn't have to repot. You didn't have to do anything. So here's another one that I have that has a wildflower with a primrose in it. So these are just kind of fillers. And later on, they're going to be the show.
Tell you
Yeah.
Yo, don't tell your mom this. It's secret. But if your mom can hear you, like, our mom is cooking lunch, don't tell them anyway. You have kids, the real test.
Yeah.
But then they'll make
It's
them.
a real test.
And then they'll actually make it up, and then they'll just pretend not true.
Yeah.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Shh. Yeah, it's a secret.
And they'll find it that they're crying right down, and then they're crying right up.
Okay, this is Rex. It's a perennial that's from Costa Rica. No, come back. I don't want her to see, honey. This is a surprise. Okay, now, do you want some blue or some more pink?
Some blue.
Okay, any more yellow?
Yeah.
Or is that enough? Maybe that's enough.
Yeah.
Okay, what one?
We'll do a spider. And then you catch that spider.
Honey. Okay, he's all boy. I bet you guys don't know when Mother's Day originated, or even why.
I got spider away.
1908, and it was before Harry Truman, and a woman came up with it to bring the spirits up. Okay, real quick, I don't know, this is a spent flower. But do you see the seed foliage? I wish, Stefan, hold this up to the camera so they could see. It has different interest. Hold it up. No, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. Just hold it up.
This
Yeah.
is the flower.
Yeah, it's the seed from, what it does is it adds interest. So I'm gonna put that in.
And that's the flower that's cool. It's purple, but
Yeah.
they can't eat it.
Yeah.
That's the true part about that.
Okay.
It's purple.
Any more?
Maybe,
more?
maybe that one, the yellow.
Okay, all right.
Oh,
Hold
maybe
on,
that
hold
one.
on. Yeah, let me put this.
Don't actually, like, put too many plants.
Okay.
Well, I think that's enough plants for today.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't want all the plants.
No, you don't have to overfill it. I overfilled it. But some of the stuff is just a quick annual for the
That's
spring.
up to me. I overfilled it too. You go.
Okay, we're gonna save these for a different container. We're gonna do a lot of container pots. When the house burned down, I built this where the old house was. Basically a summer kitchen. So now it's got a stove and everything. So I have all these amazing pots that we love to fill.
Wow.
And it's really a wonderful place. And we do a lot of cooking out there. Oh, no, that doesn't look good. Honey, are you helping?
It's not that you're interested spiders.
Okay, so let me get the camera.
Ooh, whatever that spider. Go here.
Honey, this spider's not going to hurt you. It really isn't.
Ooh, I don't want to touch that. Ooh.
We need spiders, honey.
That one is a little too cute.
Okay,
Look at it.
hold on.
Dang.
So, I don't know if you guys could see this, but it's- No. so this is the whole thing. Let me restart this. Okay, we're back. So we had to grab the camera and we had to look at the spider up there. But anyway, so this is our Mother's Day pot. I hope you could see it. It's got a lot of colors. I tried to do some wildflowers, some tropicals. We're really into tropicals. And so it's going to be just beautiful for her. Now we have to sneak it out and water it. Well, I guess I'll hide it in my shower maybe. So, but that's it. Stefan, do you want to say anything for Happy Mother's Day for your mom?
Happy Mother's Day. Say Happy Mother's Day to all your moms. And you love them.
Stefan.
And the keto that white.
Okay, anything else you want to say?
And I love your mom too.
Okay, Happy Mother's Day, and we appreciate all the moms. Bye.
Kiss your mom.
A quick view again.